this one has problem. Take a close look. Can see over there the plastic was melt. This metal part getting too hot, and let's see, it touched the plastic and melt the plastic, then they stick together. Now I using force to release it. Maybe I do some clean work, but right now it works. It was stuck. Now I can do some clean work and see how it goes. Push to release the lock. This is the light bulb of the microwave. It can be easily just temporarily removed by one screw. Surprisingly, here it's connected to the chamber, and some food spray can coming out. Also, the heat can coming out. Very close to the switch over here. That's why my switch a little bit mild over there and getting sticky. This switch won't falling down. Let's see. But now I clean it up and remove the tiny bit of smell part. It's working well. Good to know. You see something I have cleaned, but there was something tiny bit of food debris here.